Hi there, happy Memorial Day. As a tradition in American life, on Memorial Day, that's when the summer starts technically. And today of all days, we're going to be cooking out. It could be grilling, smoking, barbecuing, whatever. And today I'm going to be making some smoked chicken. I've chosen chicken legs and thighs. I'm going to show you my way. You can always adjust your seasoning, your preferred seasoning, favorite seasoning, whatever makes you happy, your spiciness or heat level, whatever. So I'm just doing it my way, and I'll be glad to share with you. I washed and cleaned all pieces of the chicken, and also went ahead and trimmed the extra fat and extra skin of the chicken thighs. It makes it look prettier and easy to place it on the grill. Before I put the seasonings on, I'm going to spray some olive oil to use it as a base, so the spices can stick to the chicken very good. And I'm using Traeger. This is my favorite. I'm also using some cayenne pepper for my spiciness or heat level. Both sides of the chicken will be sprayed with olive oil. After both sides of the chicken are sprayed with the olive oil, I put down the spices, and I do it very liberally. I want to make sure both sides of the chicken are well covered with the spices. After you're done with all these spices, you could spray one more layer of the olive oil. That makes the skin come out very crispy. Okay, I got my smoker set at 275 degrees right now, and the smoke is going. I'm using apple woods. It's coming. I can see nice smoke coming here. So I'm going to place them here, and I'm going to walk away for about 45 to an hour. But I will be monitoring the temperature right here on the external thermometer. Okay. I'm placing the chicken with the skin side up. The reason behind it is want to make sure the fat melts and the moisture goes into the chicken pieces to make it moist and juicy. This is my smoker. It's an electric smoker. I can monitor the temperature here. I'm also using an external temperature thermometer right here. One of the probes is going into the thickest part of the chicken thighs, and once it reaches 165 degrees, the alarm will go off. The temperature for the chicken reached about 165, so I'm gonna put the barbecue sauce. You can use whatever, but I'll show you what I used later on. These are the sauces I used. I used 1/3 cup of this, 1/3, and 1/4 cup. That's the ratio. Now check that out. Doesn't it look very nice? The barbecue sauce with the glaze, it came out very good.